What's going on, dogs? I'm glad you're here today because you understand the opportunity that is right in front of you with these Solana meme coins. Whether you're new to the game or even still on the sideline waiting to get in, this video can take you 10 steps closer to becoming a profitable trader and printing money for yourself. But we can't forget, ultimately changing your financial situation. Now, if you don't know, I go live all the time trading these Solana meme coins. I'll show you exactly what I'm getting into, break down exactly why I'm getting into them, but also why and when I'm leaving the play. And we're consistently running up bans. Now, that's not to brag, but we're live and I'm showing you that it's possible. As you might imagine, I get every question possible about every aspect of this game, and I will always answer them to the best of my ability. However, it always comes back to the same idea, and that's every play is different. So I genuinely feel like the best way for someone to learn and understand is to be in the field and get experience. And that's why this video has so much value. We went live yesterday and ran up another bag, but I did a deep dive, a little deeper than usual, on why I got into the play, why I'm getting out of the play, what I'm looking for in reading to plot my exit. But also, during the evolution of that play, I was answering questions from the chat. So I want you to watch this video all the way through. Doesn't matter what experience level you're at, because during my deep dive, I could literally be answering a question that you never even thought to ask. That being said, if you have more questions after this, ask me in the comments, like the video, but subscribe so you don't miss a stream. Let's get to it. Say, look at Book. 3 million volume that loud. What the fuck what's going on? Good call out right there. I can't fucking top blast this shit. However, we're gonna look at this real quick, figure out it's GameStop's mascot. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. We already know what that means. Yeah, let it drop. Let it dip heavy. GameStop tweeted. Oh shit, nah. You can't fade a GameStop tweet, bro. I'm too late. I'm too late. It's gonna keep sending. Come on, dip. That shit not going dip. 2 minutes too late, exactly, bro. Yeah, all right, there we go. I need a fat fucking dip. That'd be gorgeous. If it didn't want to put my fucking orders in, then I'll take that as a sign. I need a bigger dip. 15 mil I'll be down for 15. Bro, this is gonna send. I mean, GameStop. What a beautiful start. Like, I had a premeditated way I was gonna start this fucking stream. This was not it, but this is cool, I guess. All right, here we go. That's a little better of a dip. But nigga, none of my shit is going through. Fuck. Dude, 4 million volume is fucking insane. Oh, there we go. Wait, y'all see this? None of my shit is going through. Alright, let's keep. Wait, my slippers used to be up, I guess. Fuck it. Oh, no way. No way. This is what happened. Alright. So GameStop just retweeted the fucking, Buck the Bunny, I guess. Yeah, if I go below my shit, bro, I would definitely fucking, put some more in that bitch. For real, for real. Niggas are making big bids. Big bids. Fuck, bruh. Shit, bruh. I'd easily throw like a little 5 soul in the bitch. But I don't want to overpay, you know what I'm saying? Fuck the bullshit. All right, let's give me another little drop, I guess. Oh, I'll take that. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. All right, it's all good. 15 average is all right. That's not bad. I want to make sure I at least I'm trying to get as close to like 1,000 to it there as I can. Let me get my analysis on why I'll go heavy into this right now. 1, the bigger picture, the larger scope. We all know about GameStop. We all know how it's like power to the players, essentially. The whole GME stunt that happened, in 2021. We all know what happened there. So if this is the fucking mascot acknowledged by GameStop themselves, is that linking? Is that like clicking with y'all? Or is that y'all understand where I'm getting at type shit? This is not like a buy in and sell out in the next 2 minutes type shit. No, this could be like a hold. But let's look at something real quick. GME right now is sitting at 45 mil, right? I'm not gonna count like super tip top. This is the GameStop meme coin, right? The GameStop meme coin went to 200 mil, right? This is the GameStop mascot acknowledged by GameStop. Yeah, I'm bullish on this. Of course, I'm not telling you niggas to fucking You know, I'm not telling y'all what to do with your money and stuff, but that's just my quick analysis of this bullshit. Not bullshit, but you know what I'm saying. Well, let's let it cook. I think I was able to get 4 Sol in. Yeah. 4 Sol in real quick. What's that, like 900? 850? Not bad. Buck fucking survived that dip. Jesus Christ, that shit could have died. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Bro, no, that's like certified. That's a certified sender, bruh. I don't know what it's gonna hit tonight. Prediction for Buck. Dude. Bro, infinite potential. Infinite fucking... Dude. 7 million. It's consistently had 7 million for probably the last, 10, 15 minutes maybe. Tonight, I think this could touch 50 mil tonight. I think it's that fucking bullish. I've seen the holders go up by 1,000 in the last fucking 10, 20 minutes. I'm new in this, sorry for the dumb questions. If you can say what is the most important to see, like volume or something. I can never say there's something the most important. However, I'll say volume is a very good indicator of, mind share, where the money's at. That's why I always look at volume, honestly. I always look at the 5-minute volume. But of course, I mean, since you're new to this, you're new, volume can absolutely be manipulated. So you gotta take it with a grain of salt. Bro, got some tips for getting early into meme coins? Hell yeah, bro. Let me show you real quick. I mean, well, this is what we're looking for. These are the kind of entries we're looking for, you know what I'm saying? You wanna be in, see look, all right. I know niggas always, people trade on pump fund because they wanna get it in on a 5K market cap, run that shit up to 1 million and get, that 1000X. Fair, I get it. However, consider the idea that you have a coin that is established and it's at 16 million. To some people, 16 million might be too high. However, if you have that conviction and you just fucking hold for a couple days, dog, you can really run up a fucking 10, 20X. Like literally just like fucking Peanut. 97 million sounds like a super high ass market cap, sure, I get that. But who gives a fuck if you're gonna run up another 10X on it, in a couple days type shit. It depends on which route you want to take, essentially. And when first sell. Dude, great question. But look, I'm not thinking about that right now because I've seen 2,500 new holders in the past, 30 minutes. It's been holding at $6 million in volume the entire time that we've been on the chart. 30 million in volume in the last hour, gang. I mean, first play of the night, we're up a little over 1,000 in profit. What strategy would you use starting with 40 bucks? Strategy for using 40 bucks? Dude, you gotta jump in the Discord, bro. I'll say if you have 40 bucks, jump in the Discord. You can jump into mine. I mean, it's open, it's free right now. But jump in the Discord, start talking to people. You got 40 bucks, dude. You want to try to hit as often and as big as possible, but you don't want to do that. If you're just starting, you don't want to do that on your own. You absolutely want to fucking, be a part of a group, a community, because it helps expedite your learning curve type shit, because you're gonna have to learn it, but you can learn from everybody else that's already been doing the shit, if that makes sense. Bro asked, how long am I gonna hold Buck for? Good question. That's a valid question. So I'm in at 15. So I would love to hit 45 million market cap. And then I probably sell some initials, like I'll start clipping. This is what I always say. I mean, I literally always tell niggas, bruh, you gotta just, take your profits, slowly. Just take a little off the top. That's it. Just take a little off the top. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, I can easily drop, a little 25%. You don't want to full clip your bag because when that shit comes back up and goes up, you already, gave up your whole opportunity to make more money. Yeah, shit. What's the volume at? See, volume is going down significantly. Take a little bit off the top. Yes, I take a little bit off the top. Bro, y'all niggas gotta stop full clipping shit, bro. What's my current gas? Let's see. So I'm on, let's go to normal. And I want to put in a Solana. I'm paying $4 if I'm putting in 1 Solana. But that's my, those are my settings. And then look, for volume, I think my volume's pretty expensive. Well, I mean, it's expensive to some people, I guess. Yeah, 21 bucks. So yeah, so I pay 21 in gas when I'm on my volume setting. But if I'm on my volume setting, I'm typically putting in at least 2 Solana. You know, I'll pay that extra gas to get the best price possible absolutely all day. All right, see, look, the volume went way down. You see that? So, I mean, 2 million in volume is still like pretty crazy, but you can tell it's slowing down. So when you're up at the top of, you know, charts like this and shit, that's where I might start to be a little bit more aggressive in taking my money out. But I'm still looking at the holders. See, the holders aren't really going up crazy. They're actually kind of going down, you know. So I just I did another 25% clip just to make sure I'm getting initials out. Yeah, definitely just got some initials out. All right, like I said, the volume is definitely going down. I just want to make sure my profits are secured. So now I'm up for sure 2 Sol. Like locked in on 2 Sol. Because if this, you know, goes down, go to 0 type shit, I want to make sure, nigga, I got, you know, I made some money. That's it. Oh, that shit hit 50 mil. Let's go. We call 50 mil tonight. Niggas asking me for my my prediction. Dude, look at Buck go, bruh. Bro, it's gonna hit 100 mil tonight, bruh. Bro, this Buck shit's gonna go to 100. Bro, here's what it is. Honestly, I took enough out. I really don't need to take more out. Like, until this shit's at like 100 mil. And it could be tomorrow, doesn't have to be today. Whew. Let it cook, huh? This Buck is, I think this Buck is fucking certified, gang. Has almost 8,000 holders. We've been watching it for probably an hour, and it's I think it's up about 5,000 holders in the last hour. Extremely bullish. You know what I'm saying? When do I take profits? Dude, it completely depends on the play, you know? And that's what we're talking about, trading meme coins. A lot of people sleep on long-term holds. I don't talk about that too often, but I'm bring it up a lot more because that's where I'm setting my limits, you know what I'm saying? I'm setting my targets, and like it's really calculated with the long-term stablecoin holds. But when it comes to meme coins, let me show you. How do I take profits? DCAing out of the play. The thing is, so for example, my mindset when I was watching this bitch just climb and send, I'm clicking like 25s, 10s, 15% on all these sells right here. But why? Like, why am I choosing these moments right over here? It is just straight green on green on green, you know? That shit is not gonna last there forever, so I want to sell a little bit while it's there because the bitch can come back down. So Buck was the play. I gave a lot of insight onto why I got in, when I'm getting out, and I still have a moon bag. If you have more questions, if I didn't cover something, or if you were listening and something else popped up, just ask me in the comments, jump in the Discord, subscribe so you don't miss a live. But I'll show you my P&L as well. Took a good amount of profit, but left a decent sized moon bag just in case it goes crazy. Never know what'll happen. Stay tapped in. Plays are sending every day. You don't want to miss out. Of all times in history, right now is the time to lock in. Appreciate y'all. Catch you in the next.